Panels and trades. Panels and trades are special and general groups of suppliers, and once created, lets the tender creator add the groups, rather than having to add every vendor individually. To create a panel, click the Panel submenu underneath the Administration menu. Click the Add button, enter a name for your panel, then click Save. Expand the vendor tree, then drag the user onto the panel name. Repeat the process for all the vendors that need to be included in the panel. To remove a user, click the Remove icon. Added users are automatically saved. To create a trade group, click the Trade submenu underneath the Administration menu. Creating trade groups, and adding and removing vendors, is done in exactly the same way as creating panels. After the groups have been created, open a tender that is in the preparation phase. Expand the vendor section, and click the panel's radio button. Select the panel name and users to include in the tender. All vendors are now included at once. The same for the trade group, select the radio button, select the trade group, then select the users. Vendors can also be added to trade groups from the external user manager. Edit the profile, then click the Trade tab, and select the group. Vendors can also add themselves to a trade group by opening their own profile, then selecting the group from the trade list. Then clicking the Save button to update their profile.